guys, and there's like this bundle which had like very good looking weapons in it. So I decided to get it. And I've not tested a bit of the three weapons that I got. First is the spinny shooty. So I opened up Pixel Gun 3D and I saw this general bullet, yeah. But then I saw a pack which seemed a very good deal. So it had the spinny shooty, which is a minigun, the watchy snipey, and the pulley blasty. I'm gonna test if they're good for 3 category spam and like normal uses. I'm gonna put up some modules. Watchy snipey. All 3 of these are mythical. So yeah. Oh, and let me go to the gallery. Oh, I got my 300 coupons. Yes, the good gems. Oh, and I got this cool skin. Okay, let's jump into Ghost Town. Duels. After this, I'll go to team fight. After that, maybe deathmatch. Oh, I can select this. Why not this? Huh? Why not this? I might win, who knows? I'm gonna first do 3 category spam a few times, then gonna go to regular playing. Okay, let's go. Let's try out this minigun first. On. I got this amazing thing here. Player. Take that. Sniper, come on, do. Okay, invisibility time. I'm invisible for a little bit. Okay, so far not so good. Let's try to use the minigun a little. Oh, I did some damage actually there. Oh, invisibility. I knew it. Take that. These weapons are, the sniper is slow moving. Ooh, take that. I think this sniper is not that accurate, or my aim is just garbage. Headshot, let's go. This primary is turning out a little good. I will upgrade my armor. I have enough coins to do that. Okay, I lost. I don't get my gems refunded. Oh, you did. Let's just go to regular team match. It will be good for me. Good, it's recording. That's very good. I don't want to lose a video and think, oh, it's still recording. Let's try to use this sniper. Oh my god. I think this sniper will be good in close range, I think. No, snipers are for long range. Am I stupid? Yeah, kind of. Boom, 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 boom. Big B's a win. I don't get the certain pixel gun. Miniguns take like some time to charge. That's what I don't like about miniguns. Upgraded. Yes. Armor upgraded. I think this sniper is a 2-shot kill. 2-shot? Take that. Okay, I'm not using 3 category spam. I'm just testing these weapons. Anti-hero rifle again. Oh no! So far these weapons for my horrible aim are decent. I think I saw some gems, but those might be fake gems. Oh no! Oh no! I'm saying oh no too much. Let's try to use heavy. I didn't even hit. I'm not mad. I'm just angry. Angry. Let's go. Champion solar power cannon. Oh, and I have an intro. I made a video where the intro is played. I made it with a app, not on computer. I don't know the computer stuff. Boom, boom. Oh no, I've got to use the heroic epi to heal myself. Yes, the healing with the heroic epi is super good. Okay, it's a 2-shot kill, I think. No! Just use minigun and don't stay dead, I think. I haven't killed anybody with this heavy weapon. Anti-hero rifle. What the hell? That many kills? 64? That's a lot of kills. Oh, at least I will not descend to Adamant League. Well, oh, what? I got VIP? How did I get VIP? Oh, one more match. Well, however I got it, that's cool. Oh, I got a super chest. 5 gems. I will take that. I will take some gems. So I will keep the snipey shooty in my stuff. Wait, I have an idea. Let's go back to the evidence hunter. There's a new feature that they added which will be useful. Loadouts. I could use my second loadout to equip these other weapons. Pulley Blasty, Watchy Snipey, Laser Bouncer, Fist of Fate. This is an amazing idea. And the Spinny Shooty. You know what? I'll do the ultimate trick to winning. Is to 3 card spam. Okay, let the games begin. I think this eggs 2000 trophies only. Okay, he just left. 2000 trophies is not that much actually. Oh, 2000 again? I was facing 6. Seriously? Okay, how about fighter chest? Fighter chest. Okay. Yes. Yes. Yes, my armor is too strong. Yeah. Okay. I'm serious. Okay, where is he? Where is he? Where are you? I'm invisible. Okay, I'll just blow more. Where are you? Eh? Okay, you're here. Take that. Hey. How about I kill you again? Okay. He just left. He got 0 kills. I feel so bad. Nobody came. Good. Bam. Take 1 place or higher. He didn't accept the chest, so I don't get the super chest. But I do get rewards from the VIP. Let's go. 9 keys. Next match. How long will you reconnect? Okay, I click cancel. I click cancel. This room is unavailable. Why? Why? I don't know. I would like to know. Okay, guys. Bye bye.